Hello, good day, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the business actor with you. So today I'm going to show you how to create mockups on Smart Mockups. Yes, Smart Mockups is a website that you can use to create mockup designs for yourself, for your brand, for clients. If you're a graphic designer or content creator of any kind. So Smart Mockups has a free version and a paid version, and you can use it on your phone, Android phone, or your laptop. It's good to be used on the phone because it's also mobile friendly. So if you're wondering how I can do mockups, I have my phone. You can use it on your phone. There are other mockup sites, but this is the one that I can tell you that is very good to be used on your phone. So let's go right in, and I'm going to show you how to get it done. Even if you haven't done any mockup before, even if you don't have any graphic design experience or anything, or any kind of design experience, I'm going to explain the video step by step to make it easy for you. And I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to use smart mockups to your satisfaction. So make sure you watch it to the end. Thank you. Stay with me.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to use Canva. So this is in the desktop site. If you want to put it in this desktop site, it will look like you're using your computer, but if you don't want it to be that way, you can still remove it. But I'm going to do it like this so that you can see as if you're using it on your computer. I'm using Chrome browser. You can still use other browsers that can work for you. So now, this is how Canva interface looks. Like I told you, Canva has a free version and a paid version. You can see different templates you can use. You can also see the designs that you have created before. Here are some designs that I've created before. So the good thing about Canva is that even if you haven't created a design before, you can still start afresh. You can learn, it can give you ideas on what kind of things you can create. There are many things you can do with Canva. As you can see, you can create whiteboard, presentation, social media, design, you can create videos and Canva and many more. You can tap on these three dots here and check out the other things that you can also create. You can also do with Canva. So now we're going to create a t-shirt design. I'm just going to use some of the ones that I've done before so that it will be easy for you, so it can be fast for you to learn. So I'm going to use this one here. So now I've chosen the design I want to create. You can see that this is in the I slanted my phone so that it can be the way it's being displayed will be as if you are viewing it through your laptop or computer. So this here, you can use it to increase or decrease the image. So now as it's in this position, there are some things that may not really show. So I'm going to tilt it back to the other position, portrait position. Right now it's in landscape position. I'm going to tilt it to portrait position. So I'll turn my phone upside down. So as you can see, it has gone to the landscape position. Why am I doing this? Because there are some things that may show in the landscape that may not be easily shown in the portrait position. So I want to remove this white background here now. So I'm going to go to effects. Now for you to use all this you need to be using the pro version. I'm using the pro version. I mean, you have to pay for it, sure. But if you don't have this pro version, you can go to the website removebackground.com and remove the background from this your image. So now you can see remove BG remover means background remover. I'm going to click on it. When it's in landscape mode, you can realize that these three dots, you can easily find the download part. Download. So I can download with transparent backgrounds. Another way to remove background, but all these are for the pro version, that is the paid version. So now I don't want to download this straight. I want to upload it to the Smart Mockup site. So I will click this button moving up instead. So let me put it back to the landscape format. So I want to upload it to Smart Mockups. This arrow here by the right, top right, click on it. See this popping up by the right hand side. Go down, click more. Then you see, continue going down until you see more options. Then you click Smart Mockups. All these apps and websites you're seeing, you can connect your Canva account to them. So it's safe. So I click View in Smart Mockups. So you see, it's showing you live preview of your design. It's going to help you to see how your designs will look on different kinds of things. Phones, cups, mugs, laptop, display screens. Now all these things you are seeing pro on, they are all, before you can use them properly, you need to pay. Because I'm using the free version, that's why this pro is. But if you sign up within the first 7 days on this website, you can use everything for free. Then after that, it's like a free trial. Then after that, you must pay for them. You can also design ebooks here. Many things, so even face masks. You can just put your brand on the face mask. So I'm going to use this lady here. I'm using her because there's no pro. As you can see, there's no pro sign on her own, so I can use her image freely. All these people here are models that this website is using. These models obviously being paid. That's why the website has a payment option, because these models, they need to be paid also. But if you don't have money to apply for the pro, you can use, there are lots of free pictures and templates for you to use there. So while we wait for it to load, it's showing Asian woman wearing a t-shirt. You can as well search for Black, American, African, anybody you want to search for, depending on what you want. Now you can see that this image is very small. So to increase the image, you can see where there is live preview image. Click on this pencil icon here. You can see the image. Then here you see this plus sign. You tap on it. You see that the image is getting bigger and bigger. It's getting bigger and bigger. Continue tapping on it till you get the desired size one. Then you now press crop and continue. Now you can see here alignment, rotate, flip. You can rotate the image on the angle. Alignment, you can shift the image left, right, up, down. Flip, you can turn the image upside down. Like I see we are seeing it through a mirror to be in the opposite format. So you can see that now I have made the design bigger, but this design is too big, so I'm going to reduce it a little bit so that the full image can be shown. Okay, now it's a little bit more visible. Now you can also change the color of the shirt too. Go to customize, tap on customize. You will now see choose t-shirt color. You see choose. If you choose red, you see the color has changed to red. Can you see that? If you choose yellow, blue, the color will be changing like that. But today we are going to use either, let us see how black looks. Okay, this is how black color looks. So I'm going to use white so that the difference won't be much. See now, so now you can now go ahead and download. If you don't like this one, there are other options you can see for you, but all these are in pro. So if you use it, there will be some kind of image covering it and it will not be very clear. So just use this one. So now you can download it. As you can see, they have medium quality, high quality, super high quality. We're going to use medium quality because we're using the free version. So use the high and super high quality. You need to use the paid version. So let's go. The medium quality is not so bad, so it's also It's also good. Okay, the file is downloaded now. Or sometimes if you don't want to download it, you can just screenshot it. You can just screenshot it, save your time and your data. Just screenshot it. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see the one that was downloaded. Let's see if that it downloaded or not. So you see the image has downloaded. So please create a mockup, a design, create a design, from that Canva. Choose anyone, search for any type of design you want, and just use your creativity. Have fun, do something creative. Then also share it to Smart Mockups, and when you are done, send in your design so that I can see it, so that we can see it, and from there you can learn and also improve.